Inventory management is at the heart of successful retail operations. In an increasingly competitive industry, merchants require comprehensive solutions to optimize their inventory, reduce stockouts, and meet customer demands quickly. Shopify POS acknowledges this need and provides an advanced inventory management system that connects easily with the point-of-sale solution. Shopify POS enables shops to streamline their operations, boost customer satisfaction, and generate profitability through real-time stock updates, automated restocking, and low stock warnings. With this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of advanced inventory management with Shopify POS. Real-time stock updates. Accurate inventory management is critical for merchants to meet client requests while avoiding costly stockouts or overstock situations. Shopify POS enables real-time stock updates, giving retailers instant visibility into their inventory levels at any given time. As things are sold through the POS system, the inventory is immediately changed, eliminating overselling. Real-time stock updates enable retailers to make informed decisions about product availability and delivery. They can reliably provide precise stock information to customers, reducing the risk of disappointing customers with out-of-stock products. This kind of transparency fosters confidence and improves the client experience, resulting in higher customer satisfaction and repeat business. Restocking robots. Manually tracking inventory levels and initiating replenishment processes can be time-consuming and prone to human mistake. Shopify POS makes this procedure easier by providing automated replenishment possibilities. Retailers can select specified inventory thresholds, and when stock levels fall below these limits, the system automatically sends restocking notifications or purchase orders. Automated restocking not only saves retailers time, but also guarantees that ideal stock levels are maintained without the need for excessive manual involvement. This streamlined approach to inventory replenishment reduces the likelihood of stockouts, enhances inventory turnover, and reduces the expenses associated with overstocking. Furthermore, automated restocking in Shopify POS enables companies to develop effective partnerships with their suppliers. Retailers may cultivate stronger supplier partnerships and negotiate advantageous terms by effectively anticipating their inventory needs and communicating restocking requests on time. Low stock alerts. Running out of popular products can lead to lost sales opportunities and dissatisfied customers. Shopify POS addresses this issue with their low stock alerts function. Retailers can set up automatic notifications when stock levels hit a certain threshold, ensuring that they are informed to potential stock shortages as soon as possible. Low stock alerts enable retailers to take proactive measures to avoid stockouts. They can replenish products in a timely manner, investigate alternate sourcing alternatives, or modify their marketing efforts to promote alternative products. By anticipating stock shortages, businesses may ensure a consistent supply of popular items, meet customer needs, and avoid revenue losses. Increased inventory insights. Accurate inventory data provides significant insights into corporate performance and supports in strategic decision-making. Shopify POS provides businesses with detailed inventory information, allowing them to evaluate sales patterns, discover top-performing products, and optimize their product assortment. Retailers can obtain a better understanding of their customers' preferences and purchase habits by recording and analyzing inventory data. This information assists merchants in identifying patterns, forecasting demand, and making data-driven inventory management decisions. Based on this information, they can change stock levels, introduce new products, or phase out underperforming items, optimizing inventory investment and maximizing profitability.